parts of the flower. So, in the flower mainly 4 types of parts are present. Floral leaves, mainly floral leaves. Here first wall is called as calyx, second wall corolla, third wall androecium, fourth wall gynoecium. So, calyx is composed of number of green colored floral leaves, calyx. Members are known as sepals. And corolla, corolla members are known as petals. Androecium members are known as stamens. Gynoecium members are known as carpels. So, first two are non-essential organs. These two are non-essential organs, and third and fourth walls are known as essential organs. Non-essential organs, essential organs. They are not useful for reproduction, they are useful for sexual reproduction.